Imagine walking into an interview and seeing two candidates. One is dressed in a well-fitted, professional outfit that matches the company's culture, while the other is in overly casual or mismatched attire. Before either speaks, the interviewer has already formed an opinion about their professionalism and preparedness. Your clothing is a visual representation of your confidence, attention to detail, and understanding of workplace expectations. Dressing appropriately for an interview shows respect for the company, the interviewer, and the opportunity itself. But how do you know what to wear? Corporate, startup, and virtual interviews each have different expectations. In this lecture, we will learn how to choose the right attire for different industries, use color psychology to your advantage, and balance professionalism with personal authenticity. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to select appropriate interview attire based on the company's dress code, use color psychology to influence perception and make a strong impression, balance professionalism and authenticity in your appearance, avoid common attire mistakes that can weaken your first impression, dress codes for different work environments. Not all companies expect the same level of formality in interview attire. What works for a corporate law firm may not be appropriate for a tech startup. Corporate interviews, formal business attire. Companies in finance, law, consulting, and traditional industries expect formal business attire. Men can opt for dark-colored suits, dress shirt, tie, and polished dress shoes. Women can opt for a blazer with tailored pants or skirt, blouse, closed-toe shoes. Both should be with well-groomed hair, minimal accessories, and neutral colors. Startup and creative industry interviews, business casual. Tech companies, design firms, and startups often have a relaxed dress code, but professionalism still matters. Men can dress shirt or polo with chinos or dress pants, polished shoes, or clean sneakers. Women can opt for a smart top with tailored pants, stylish but professional footwear. Both should avoid anything too flashy or overly casual, like ripped jeans or graphic t-shirts. Research the company's culture online. LinkedIn and company photos can provide clues on what employees wear. Virtual interviews, professional from the waist up. Virtual interviews require just as much effort in appearance and professionalism, even if you're at home. Wear solid, non-distracting colors that look good on camera. Avoid bright patterns. Ensure good lighting and a clean, neutral background to maintain professionalism. Grooming still matters. Interviewers will notice messy hair or poor presentation. Avoid overly casual choices, even if you're only seen from the waist up. The psychology of color in interview attire. Colors impact perception and can influence how you are viewed by an employer. Best colors for interviews and what they convey. Stick to neutral and muted tones. Bright colors can be distracting unless used subtly. Navy blue, confidence, trust, and professionalism. Black, leadership, sophistication, and formality, use in moderation. Gray, logic, independence, and intelligence. White, simplicity, cleanliness, and reliability. Earth tones, beige, brown, stability, dependability, and warmth. Colors to use cautiously. Red, power and energy but can appear aggressive. Yellow and orange, friendly, but too casual for most interviews. Bright green and purple, creativity, but can be distracting in formal settings. If you want to add color, do it subtly. A navy suit with a muted red tie or a gray blazer with a soft blue shirt adds personality without being overpowering. Balancing professionalism and authenticity. Dressing professionally does not mean losing your personal style. The key is to balance authenticity with appropriateness. Choose well-fitted clothing that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Add subtle personal touches, e.g., a watch, a classic necklace, or a well-chosen tie. Keep makeup, hairstyles, and accessories clean and polished. Avoid extremes. If wearing glasses, ensure they're clean and not too reflective. If you are uncomfortable in what you wear, it will show in your body language. Choose an outfit that is both professional and comfortable. Try on your entire outfit the night before to check for any last-minute issues. Common interview attire mistakes to avoid. Wearing wrinkled or ill-fitted clothes Always iron or steam your outfit in advance. Overdoing accessories, stick to simple, elegant pieces. Forgetting about shoes. Dirty or worn-out shoes can ruin an otherwise polished look. Wearing overpowering cologne or perfume. Some people are sensitive to strong scents. Dressing too casually. Even in relaxed work environments, a neat and professional look is essential.